I'm Joe Sillick with Sotheby's International Realty. Today, I'd like to discuss Measure ULA, a very significant tax increase coming to Los Angeles. Setting aside all the flaws with the measure, I'll cover those in another video. I want to explain how it works, when it goes into effect, and in some cases, how you can work around it. So what is it? ULA increases the current transfer tax rate by up to 1,200%, depending on the dollar amount of the real estate transaction. It applies to sales of real property in the city of Los Angeles at $5 million and above. That means homes, condos, apartment buildings, retail, office, land, and industrial. You can see why mansion tax, which some called it, was a complete misnomer. It goes well beyond taxing mansions. For properties that sell for $5 million, up to just under $10 million, the additional tax is 4% of the sales price. For sales at $10 million and above, it is an additional 5.5% tax. It applies no matter whether you make money or lose money on the sale. To give some examples, with a sale of a $5 million house, there will now be an additional $200,000 in tax. With a $10 million sale, the additional tax will be $550,000. The tax goes into effect April 1st, 2023. So what can you do about it? If you want to sell in the not too distant future, I suggest getting your home on the market right now. If you can sell before April 1st, you can avoid the tax. If you haven't sold by then, there are still some options that you can consider. The poorly written measure will have people who sell for $4,999,000 avoiding the tax, thereby netting approximately $200,000 more in their sale than somebody who sells at the higher $5 million price. If you are close to either the $5 million or $10 million threshold, you definitely want to sell for just under. This also creates some potential to do creative drafting and have buyers pay certain fees rather than a higher sales price, or purchasing personal property such as furniture separately to avoid including it in the sales price of the home. Please reach out to discuss your specific situation, and don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel to learn more. Thank you so much.